Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that real world asset token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, RWS real world service is the utility token of the Serenity ecosystem designed to power access transactions and participation across a range of blockchain enabled products and services. These include digital assets custody, biometric identity solutions, digital payments, data survivability services, and real world asset tokenization. RWA function as the ecosystem utility layer supporting service consumption and platform activity as adoption grows. RWS token total supply is 99.09 million and circulating supply is also 99.09 million RWS token. RWS token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.